Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing OA retirement visas. The reason for making this video, I made a similar one about O retirement visas, but I had some people asking me in the interim between that video and this one, what's the point of the OA? Why would anybody want the OA compared to the O retirement visa? Well, one, ease of getting it. Especially before COVID, it was not really possible to get an O retirement visa abroad, and it's my contention that probably moving forward, they're going to be few and far between. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs seems to be pushing everybody, or nudging everybody, if you will, toward the OA retirement visa. In many cases we've been dealing with, yes, if someone previously had an O retirement visa, COVID caused it, they couldn't get back to Thailand to renew it. Yes, in some cases, people were reissued an O retirement visa, but in the vast majority of cases, especially new applicants who are applying for a retirement visa abroad, OA seems to be the category of choice utilized by the relevant Thai embassies and consulates. And the question comes up because I know we've compared this a lot on this channel. What's the upside, if you will, of the OA? Because we know the downsides. I've discussed it at length. Certain insurance requirements, the big one being the insurance requirement, with the impending bump of the insurance requirement in the fourth quarter of this year going substantially higher, raises the question, well, is there an upside? A big upside of the OA visa is, generally speaking, you're stamped in for 1 year from entry. Now, the other big issue with the OA visa is there's certain places, again, that just don't, and I think probably won't issue O retirement visas at all. The other issue is there's certain passport holders for whom conversion, and what I'm talking about is coming in, for example, on a tourist visa and then trying to change your status here in Thailand, that's just not going to be possible. And more as we're getting away from the amnesty period, which came to an end, they're no longer doing visa amnesties. Yes, immigration still has a higher degree of discretion than they once had with respect to doing conversions in country. It's been my experience thus far that, not just my experience, it's just a fact. There's certain passports from certain countries where an extension or a conversion in country, not necessarily an extension, but a conversion, then an extension in country, just isn't possible. And for those folks, the only option is to utilize an OA retirement visa.